Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and doing superb in your life. I have came back again to show you some beautiful designer hairstyles that are going to adorn your beauty. As you can see, this beautiful pattern of cross-like structure with these beautiful braids. Again, you have to make a ponytail and braids on the sides and make circular pattern like this, and you will end up getting a beautiful lovely result. Now let's see, with the help of a big huge red ribbon, we are going to make this cross ponytail and just crisscross your hair like this by having two partitions in the hair, and you will end up getting this one. Again, you have to make braids like this along with a beautiful neatly folded hair. Again, we are making this with the help of beautiful lovely red color ribbon and making it into a crisscross pattern like this, making zigzag pattern and end up getting a lovely result. Now what are we going to do? Proceeding further in the video, let's have a look. We are taking small partitions of hair and rolling it into like this and making small beautiful results like this. And let's see what are we going to end up. And isn't it looking lovely? Now we make two partitions of hair and make these patterns like this. Isn't it looking super lovely? Yes, we are going to make the same on the other side also. And with the help of the extra, you can make the two ponytails. Now what are we going to do? We are going to make French braids like these. And these are personally my favorite. Hope yours too. Which braid is your favorite? German or French? Now, proceeding further, we are making partitions in the hair and taking small partitions of the hair, making crisscross patterns in this way so that we will end up getting a beautiful neatly folded hairstyle. And this is the end result. Now make these lovely flowers. Oh my god, these are looking really awesome. Aren't you excited to see how are we going to make this? So have a look on the pattern. How are we going to make this with the help of a small thin rubber band? And these are super amazing. Now let's see what are we going to do. We are going to make crisscross patterns in the hair with the help of the lovely ribbon, that too a decorative one. So you are going to grab all your ribbons and make your hairstyle a beautiful pattern. Now let's see, proceeding further, we are making a simple folded braid like this on the help of a ponytail and make your hairstyle a beautiful pattern. And now again, these lovely attractive flowers. Again, you are going to take a rubber band and with the help of rubber band, crisscrossing it in this way and twisting and back and forth of the hair and make these petals flower. And these are super amazing. Now let's see what are we going to make now. With the help of this partitions of hair, we are going to make these lovely patterns from the top of the hair on either side. And this is going to look and give you a beautiful neat result. We will end up getting a beautiful lovely braids of two. And these are going to suit you. Thank you so much for the video.